How to create a PayPal account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed PayPal application on your device. If not, you need to head towards Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for PayPal application. So you need to choose the official application, and after that you need to tap install and then it will get ready to access. Now tap open button at top right corner of your application, and once you launch the application you will reach on the welcome screen of PayPal. If you already have an account, you have to tap login and sign into your account. For now, tap sign up button. Now you can easily choose your country at top right corner of the screen. Using your search bar, you can type in or tick mark any of your country. Now you have to move ahead and enter your email and then tap the next button. Now simply enter your mobile number with your country code and tap on next button. After that, you have to verify your phone number as the code will be given to your phone number. You simply need to add that phone number and then you will reach on the create a password section where you have to follow the prompts like use 8 to 20 characters and use two of the following letters, numbers or symbols. So you have to create a strong password and select next button. Now enter your personal info like your nationality, first name, middle name, last name and date of birth. Now tap next button. Enter your address. At first, you have to enter your address and second address line. Now tap agree and create account button. Now you can link a debit or credit card if you have and tap the skip if you don't have or don't want to add your card number. Now you are successfully on the home screen of PayPal. That's how you create account on PayPal. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.